Welcome to this CADMATIC Electrical video showcasing the integration with CADMATIC eShare software. First, let's take a look at our electrical project. It includes electrical arrangement drawings, single-line diagrams, and more. We begin by exporting all project drawings and diagrams into the eShare platform. Once the export is complete, we open eShare, where all the documents are now accessible under the Electrical Drawings section. By clicking on any document, you can open and view it directly. In eShare, the system uses clear color coding to highlight different links and component tags. Red indicates components with a single instance, while green shows those with multiple instances. eShare automatically recognizes component tags and cross-references them across the model and other documents. This feature makes it easy to locate all occurrences of the same component throughout the project documentation. If you need to search for something specific, you can simply enter the tag or identifier. eShare will immediately display all related occurrences. For instance, if you want to see all instances of a particular device, such as its location in the 3D model, the associated cable path, or its linked documents, you can do so with just a few clicks. On the right-hand side, you'll find consolidated information from all integrated software solutions, including all documents related to the selected component. This functionality centralizes information for streamlined management. Here's a cable connecting a distribution board to a pump. The cable's route was automatically created in CADMATIC Cable Router software. Each object in the model includes detailed information, and the information is available in real time, allowing you to inspect and verify data directly. Now, let's proceed to a practical example. Let's demonstrate the live link between the applications. Let's add a description for the pump P901 and installer information for the cable. Upon confirming the input, the information updates instantly across the system as the databases are connected. If we then click on the motor in eShare, we see the updated information. The software also allows you to assign status information. For example, you can set statuses like on hold or completed, tailored to your project needs. In this demonstration, the project manager assigns the status installed to the distribution board. eShare also displays all cables connected to the board, and this status is visible in CADMATIC Electrical. This ensures that electrical designers have real-time information, enabling them to make informed decisions about what can and cannot be modified. As shown, both equipment and cables have real-time data available. This reduces errors and enhances coordination, making the design and implementation process more efficient. In summary, the integration between CADMATIC Electrical and CADMATIC eShare bridges the gap between design and operations by providing a centralized, real-time view of all project data. This empowers teams to collaborate seamlessly, ensures data accuracy, and enables better decision-making at every stage of the project lifecycle. Thank you for watching.